using Python SDKs.
Okay, that's good. Okay. So, okay, means like you are saying like we are using OpenAI API. That's what like
Yes,
is it?
exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
Uh,
that's good. Okay, before going further, like, so what actually this open AI means? Like, is it what actually you people know? What is this open AI? Like, see, so nowadays, like we know that all are using AI and open AI, and some people will take some other AI. Okay, so what actually these all like means like I can tell like these all like Gen AI concepts. Okay, like if I say the it's all in the category of Gen AI. Okay, so I think you people heard about this Gen AI, right? Nowadays all are talking about this Gen AI and okay, and nowadays all are talking about prompt engineering and all, right? So so OpenAI also is like one of the category, okay, where it nowadays we people are telling that has a chat GPT, okay. So where it will provide you like a search engine. I think you know what trying to say, okay? Like you will search whatever content you know, okay? So that is like coming to the OpenAI. OpenAI is like the company like ChatGPT one only, like where they are using this OpenAI and they are giving the APIs for the our activities, right? Okay, so that is good. And anyone know what is this API things?
yeah. An application programming interface. So
Okay.
just to do certain, to call certain functions from within the library or certain API endpoints,
Yeah, perfect. Yeah.
functionalities.
Yeah, so API is like we can make any JSON data we can fetch from any servers and we can so it's a lightweight. So that's why like nowadays all are going with the API, right? Whatever you told that's perfectly correct. Yeah. And here in this session, like we are going to learn about OpenAI Assistant, okay? And we are using this OpenAI Assistant for the API calls and all, okay? So this is like a small demo, guys. Like I'm just giving some small demo only, okay? And here we are going to take like some demo, okay? Some small demo. I'm not going to show any live demo, okay? Just we'll discuss only the demo version, okay? What is what, okay? Like you people know that like so this OpenAI we can do so many things and all, right? Okay, so here we are going with the demo use case is like PDF knowledge put, okay. So that is a thing we are going to see, okay. Okay guys, so we'll go for the next screen, okay. So so here we can see in the screen like actually we are talking about what is this OpenAI assistant, okay. So what actually it does, okay. So generally, like if I say like this is also like AI agents, okay? Like we can say like is a AI agent framework we can tell, okay? So when we are using OpenAI in our project, right? So it is like a framework for us where actually we'll use to get the information and we can store that like all the things we can use, okay? And coming to the core concept, if I talk about this AI assistant, okay? There basically three things are there. Like one is threads, okay? One is messages, and next one is run, okay? So what is this threads? Anyone know about threads concept? Like before going further, like I want to know, like anyone heard about threads, okay? Thread concept, like more than one. Anyone knows what is this threads? Yeah. In the other language also, you people learn about threads, right? In the C++ also we learned about threads, right? Is it correct? Threading concept. Do you people know anyone like what is this threads? Okay. Anyone? You just tell me yes or no. Okay. So that I
Yeah,
can.
yeah,
Yeah.
used it.
Okay. Yeah. So it's here also like we are going with the threads concepts only. Like it will, for example, in the chat GPT, I can go with multiple charts. Okay. multiple charts I can go. Okay. I can discuss on multiple charts and we can go with the multiple things and all. Okay. Is it correct, guys? Did you people anyone use ChatGPT? Anybody is using ChatGPT?
Yes.
Regularly.
Okay. Yeah, regularly, right? Okay. So for example, I can open new charts, right? Multiple charts I can run. Okay. So every chart will keep in the one thread, right? So it will store your all conversation. For example, uh, you people know, right? What I want to trying to say. Like for example, in the one chart, I have some conversation. Okay, so it will store all the things. Okay, and what actually it will store, like what is the user, okay, inputs. Okay, mean to say like you have some consent with the chat GPT. Okay, that all you can get, and you when you click on generate, right, so it will the AI will give some response. So this all we can find, right? So actually that is the general chat GPT is doing. Okay, now this is a core concept. We can use it with the help of API also in our application. Okay, so means like we can create our own chat GPT. That's it, guys. Okay, it's nothing but like same thing. Like already we have chat GPT. We can use that. That is a like a ready-made framework. Okay, where we can go and just register, and you can use whatever things like you want to do. Okay, just give me 1 second, guys. Okay, so that's what like so here also we can find the same things, guys. Like so I have some message. Okay, how much should I contribute to my retirement plan? So that's my concern. Okay, so is it like one thread? Okay, I'm not talking about multiple threads. Okay, I have only one thread right now. So here my thread is based on retirement plan. So whatever you ask the concern, right, that AI will decide that core concept in that questions. Okay, like it will copy like retirement planning. Okay, so it will it will keep like whatever question and you will get the response. Okay, like assistant manager. Okay, so this we can do in our application also, like with the API, OpenAI API. Okay, we can have that all things in our applications also. Application means is nothing but our websites. Okay, we can integrate a OpenAI in our application, right? That's the concept actually here they want to say. Okay, is it clear, guys, up to this?
Yeah, it's clean.
Okay. Okay. Next one is like, okay, now we are talking about one use case like where we can discuss. So actually why I kept this use case means so that we can easily understand what actually we are trying to know what is this OpenAI Assistant API. Okay, so what actually it does and all. Okay, so nowadays, like you people are know like why we are using ChatGPT and all, like okay, to make actually before this like we generally go with the Google, right? Previously the people will generally go with the Google. Okay, now Google also updating to some Gemini AI. Okay, they are doing that. That's good. Okay, and here like we are before that we were using the Google and now we are using ChatGPT. That's it. But searching is that we are doing with the internet and we are doing that. Okay. So in that case, like I have some concern that like I want to read some PDFs. Okay. Means like I have bigger PDF. Okay. One page I can read. Okay. For examples, I have bigger than 100 pages. Okay. PDF. You know what is PDF, right? If I am not, if anyone don't know, let me know. Okay. I hope all know PDF. Okay. So PDF is like a document where we can find so many content. Okay. Like so many content will be there. Okay. So I can't read each and every page and I can't read that. Okay. So we can keep this in our chat GPT also, right? In the chat GPT, if I open, I can get some information. Okay. But what is the plus point if we use our own assistant means like we can question each and every, like nowadays people are talking about LLM, right? What is the LLM? We will discuss later. Okay. So here we are going to use the LLM concept where we can ask, okay, complete question on every concept, like which I want to ask on the document. Okay. So this is the one of the example we can tell, like what how it will work is generally. Are you people clear with this? What actually PDF knowledge board actually? Okay. So we can create our own board, guys. Okay. Like how it will works means like I'll show here in the next slide. Okay. So generally how it will works means generally in our open uh, we are integrated OpenAI for our application, and our application is like it's like PDF knowledge board. Okay. So board means is nothing but like it will talk to the source resource and it will give the output for us. Okay. So that is the work of the board. Okay. So we are getting the knowledge. Okay. PDF is there and we are getting the knowledge from the board. Okay. That's the meaning of PDF knowledge board. Okay. So how it works means like I will upload one document. Okay. Multiple documents or one document. Okay. So what it will do, it will keep in one thread, right? So that's what like we are talking. The core concept of open AI is like it will keep whatever multiple threads also it will maintain. Okay. That's the plus point. Okay. So I have some, for example, insurance is there. Okay. Insurance I applied. Okay. So I applied for ICICI insurance. Okay. So they given me one big PDF. Okay. Just go through that. Okay. They will not give in the one page, right? They will give more than 50 or 100 pages. Okay. We don't know exactly. So we can miss some points there. Actually, crucial points will be there that we can miss. Okay. Because they are also very smart insurance guys. Okay. They will hide that all small things, the small characters. Okay. So we can easily extract that defect or if anything which is not our requirement. Okay. We can easily do with that. Okay. So we can upload the document there. Okay. What will happen? Like we can ask the questions whatever we have. Okay. Like for example, how much it is covered. Okay. How much it will going to give. Are these our policies are like with my condition. Okay. I can ask multiple questions to my board. Okay. So I am not using any chat GPT here. Okay. I am using my self board. Okay. So that we can do. Okay. And here, when you are using like this conversation, we can tell this as a LLM. Okay, anyone know what is a LLM models and all? Anyone heard about this?
It's a large language model where it's basically used to train the bot itself by using the feedback loop.
Yes, perfect. Yeah. So means like this is one of the model. Like we will generally nowadays. Previously, we used to write so many models. Okay, like regression model. Okay, but nowadays you people are very lucky. You don't have anything to write now. All sing individual models. Okay, when we are using R and we used to write so many models, okay. Later in the Python they are given, okay. Now this Geni is making that stuff also is a very simple manner. We can just integrate, okay, like simply like imports, then it will solve so many problems, okay. So that's all good sign for us. But coming to this, I think you people have a whatever I told, I think it is clear for you now, okay. Like we can easily extract what are the data we want to get. I think so. This is also one of the concept we can tell. This is a LLM concept, okay, where actually we have one PDF I given. The bot will read all the data, okay. Whatever questions I have, I can put that, and I will get the information, okay, with respect to my requirement, okay. Is it clear, guys? Like what is this PDF knowledge bot and how it works? Okay. Okay. So what next is like so by using this, what actually we are going to get, guys, like so that actually we are going to see like key benefits. Okay, so it will save your time. Is it correct, guys? If I am not right, if anything is like it is correct, right? What I am saying, it will save your time for the reading lengthy document. That is correct or not? Yes. Yeah.
Yes,
Hello?
yes, yes, yes.
So, so whatever consent is there in that PDF, I can upload that PDF. I can ask whatever questions I have. Okay, that is easy. Okay, even without reading each and every page and getting all what actually. Okay, for example, coming to the company. Okay, you went to some company. Okay, you want to know what are the policies of the company. Okay, for example, software company. Okay, you don't in the software company also, when you are getting some appointment letter, they will have some terms and conditions. Okay, in the appointment, they will, that is also like one 10 to 15 pages. Okay, or 5 pages. 5 pages will be there at least. Okay, 5 to 15 pages. Okay, max. So in that also, if I have some concern like how much they will give CTC, how much I have, like all the thing, whatever concerns you have, you can easily find out that, okay, by using our own bot, okay. Ha- You can ask the question like, we can't do this in the chat GPT. Yeah, we can use, but there is some limitation, right? Okay. So what is the limitation is like chat GPT will charge so much, okay, you know, right? For the premium how much it is charging, okay, like around 2000, okay, but coming to the OpenAI API, it will charge very less, okay. That is also one plus point is that, like it will charge only like point 1 paisa, okay, per our dollar, if I say, okay. So it is very easy for to make our own API assistant, okay, and do these all activities, okay. That's a plus point I can tell here. Okay. And here, what is the next key benefit is telling like manual search is decrease. Is it correct? And we are getting instant answer. Like, like actually nowadays don't no one is having much time to work manually. Okay. All want instant. Okay. Nowadays, so you can find so many instant things like instant batter, instant coffee. Okay. So similarly, people are very actually, Python is a lazy language, and we are becoming more lazy if this type of AI is coming. That is different story. But we are getting instant answers, okay? And you are going to get some domain knowledge, and we can customize, okay? For example, if I find anything like which is not relevant to my conditions, I can question to that insurance guy, okay? Yeah, actually, you told this coverage will be done, but that is not showing here. Can you tell me? So if we can detect easily, okay? That is also it's okay. So that's it, guys. So I hope we are done with this demo session. Okay. And if anything, let me know before closing the call. Hello.
Hey, Deepak, thanks for the demo. I have one quick question for you.
Yeah.
It's like what level of programming skill is required for this building these AI bots or AI agents or configuring these agents?
Okay. Okay, that's good question. Yeah. So basically, like, so you can directly start with this also. Like, so I recommend, okay, because like myself, I am around like 15 years experience in the IT industry. Okay. Right now, I am working with some other one company as a project manager. I am with the AI sector only. Okay. So coming to if you people want to adopt this, right? So I will recommend like you should know at least nowadays Python is very mandatory. Okay, because if you want to write anything like coding side, okay, because like it's not like instant we can find the code in the chat GPT, that is different story, okay, but basic knowledge is of Python is required, okay, and HTML CSS JavaScript is also required, okay, because if you want to develop one website or interface, like these are the main things I can recommend. And next, coming to the OpenAI and all, like there's the Python is a mandatory. Okay, if you know Python, right? So you can easily integrate and you can run your own bots. Okay, that's it.
Hey, thanks for the clarification, Deepak.
Okay, anyone have any doubts more?
Deepak, can you share the course content and what is our plan?
Course content means like.
I mean, going forward, we are covering these topics, right?
Yeah, I will do that. Actually, I have just sent some overview on, but I will refine that, okay, based on our requirement, okay.
Yeah,
So I have just found and I just shared that, but main one I will just go with a different one, okay. So once
sure.
the team is set, right, so I will give that like what actually I'm going to do. Okay, so what actually we are going to see, I'll just give the overview, Anil, like what I am going to say. So this is like, so basically we'll start with some basics of Python, okay, small basics, okay.
Yeah,
So after that, like we are going to learn on some concepts of like uh, what is that matplotlib something like, okay, small topics like data science concepts, like small topics, like not complete deep, okay, small topics, like, okay. After that, like we'll start building on our own boat, okay, whatever boat, like so we are using here like OpenAI, LLM, okay, Python, Django, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So these are the core level. So means like it's not, I can't tell like it's all theoretical, okay. So we have to work from initial onward, like we have to work on the project level, okay. Then only you will learn what is this actually, okay. So this is like practical oriented thing I want to do. Okay. This is like theoretical, that is okay. But when you learn about practical only, you will get to know what is okay. Here we need to learn also the prompt engineering. I will tell some concepts like how to search and how to do that all. Okay. So because like the prompt engineering only the main thing where you have to give the OpenAI code. Okay. So means based on your context only, it will behave. Okay. For example, I want to search for the trading. It will give like some concepts will be there in the prompt engineering. So that is also we'll see here little. Okay. So overall, like it's a project oriented course, and I can say. Okay. So theoretical will be less. We will teach theoretical concepts also, but mostly on the practical oriented. Like I can say like 60-40. Okay. 60 will be the practical and 40 will be the theoretical. Right? So like
and
that, and
Deepak,
duration
you
I
can
think,
also tell them our digital mark, we have own company, right? And where we are doing these products, right? Using the AI.
yeah, I
So,
can show them.
yeah,
Yeah,
you can show
actually
that
we
as
have
well.
one.
And
Yeah, okay. So that's what you are. Okay. So actually this
so
is
that
our company,
why
guys.
why I'm asking, these people will get knowledge on our expertise level, right? Instead of wording, we already developed some chatbots, our own products, and we are some customers are already using these bots, okay? And
Oh,
digital marketing and finance sector, he already developed. So
yeah.
that training
Right,
will
right, right, right.
go mostly corporate level in the practical level and not for the student manner. So where they get learn and try to find the job, right? It's not like that. Always he will explain the concept and moreover practical session should be there. Otherwise, there is no use of learning here.
Yeah, exactly, Anil. Like,
Yeah.
so actually, this is our company, guys. Like, actually, we are. This is basically this is my own company, and we have almost like 2,000 internships were done with the company, and we are also doing this. Okay, as of now, 10 employees are there with our company. Okay, we have the startup company, guys. Okay, and we are using so much thing in the OpenAI concepts. Okay, if I say okay, so it's all like complete OpenAI. Okay, like all we are doing and so much things we are doing. Okay, so here like it's not like I can say like we have some portfolio also there. This is all completely AI based portfolio, and we are using OpenAI. Okay, complete OpenAI. Okay, DG Mark AI. Okay, and here we are giving the trainings that is different. Okay, and smart take. Okay, pulse HR. So these all are completely based on the OpenAI created stuffs only. Okay, and we have other prototypes also is there, like with the help of LLM and all, that also I will going to share. Okay, so coming to the concept wise, whatever you have any doubts, we can clear here itself. Okay, so that's what like I just now Anil told. That's why I'm showing this. Otherwise, I will not show this. Okay, so be clear. Like we will teach something good for you, okay, which is useful for your career. That's what you just keep it that in mind, okay. Other thing, that's your choice. But whatever we teach, right? So whatever we done, that only we are going to teach, okay. We are up to the market standards, okay. Whatever we are doing, okay. So it's not like that's no Anil told, right? We are not going to work like a teaching institute teaching level, okay? So like practical oriented, because like if you know practical, generally if you go to the interviews also, they will ask only the practical scenarios only. They will not ask like what is AI, right? They will ask like how, yeah, I have this situation, how you will resolve this, okay? So then you have to tell like, okay, this is a thing I can work. Okay, at least my side, like I will do this like this. Okay, like if you tell like that, then they will justify. Okay, you have some good knowledge, then they will hire you. Okay, because like nowadays AI also is like crowd is there in the market. So many openings is there as well as crowd is there. Okay, so some big people like IIIT and all, like they will crack these interviews. Okay, so they are very smart in this area. Like they are cracking so much OpenAI related stuffs, okay, and AI like Gen AI or prompt engineering. So different skills will be there. Up to 2023, there is different story. 2024, 25 is different story. Okay, 26 is completely different story. Okay, so 22 up to 22, we have only data science, data analyst, okay, data. Okay, now its trend is went to something level, Gen AI, okay. Now it is going to the different thing is coming, okay, in the 2026, okay. But currently, like LLM are talking and Gen AI is talking. No one is talking about data science, data prediction. No, nothing is going. Up to 2023, it was there, okay. 2024, 25 is completely went to the Gen AI level, okay. All all companies are encouraging the candidates or employees to learn about Gen AI concepts, okay. They are not insisting to learn models, okay. Yeah, data science, like you have to go like this. No, they are not going with that. They're completely the trend is change, okay. You no need to write any single model also, okay. You know how to build the application, how to use LLM concept, how to go with the NLP. Nowadays NLP also is a natural language program, okay. That is also in the trend, okay. So in the next coming days the trend will be changed, okay. So currently this trend is there. I hope you will catch with this trend and you will find some good career in your side. That's it, guys. Nothing much I can tell right now. Okay, that's it. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Deepak.
Yeah, thanks, Deepak, for the session.
Okay.